Hello. If your seedlings have gone leggy, don't throw them away. You need to do these 5 things. Number 1 is reduce the heat. So you can see here I've taken these off of the mats. These heater mats are great for germination, but obviously they've already germinated. So these are still germinating, and these mats keep the soil above 50, which is great for germination. Okay, these germinated really fast, within a week. Last week these were entirely too wet and too warm, so I took the little canopy off, like this canopy right here, this canopy. They fit on top. Okay, now we're going to plant these nice and deep. I have a lima bean and a pumpkin right here. So we're going to go 1 scoop right in the bottom. Here's our pumpkin. Nice and easy. Come on out of there, sweetie. Just a couple of little root hairs there. That's perfect. Mostly I want these little cups back for the rest of my seedlings over there. These guys might have been okay in these pots for another week or so, but like I say, I want those cups back so I can get the rest of those vegetables out of those little packs, because they will not be okay in there for another week or so. There we go. And when I give him some water, he should be okay. He's going to come right over here, go in front of that fan. Because wind, a little air on these is the 4th thing they need, I believe. The 4 out of 5? Okay. We have a pumpkin. And same thing, 1 scoop right in the bottom. Pack it just a little bit. Oh, see that little root sticking out right there? This guy's doing great. He should take this plant's transplant well. Oh yeah, lovely. I really like this. I really like this Jiffy seed starter. Like I said last week, available at Walmart. However, I noticed you do need to fill the bag, because they weren't all filled the same. So just shopper beware. You might be buying like a bag of potato chips, buying mostly bag, so you got to pick them up, fill them. Stand him up a little bit better. There we go. I'm hoping his broken leaf will recover. Right over here. This actually has a chance, and we will see about that next weekend. So I have one more sunflower here. These sunflowers did not do well at all, but I don't want to toss him. If I can save him, I'm going to save him. He's a little tangled up in our tomato leggings over there. tell you what, if these make it, I won't buy anything else but Jiffy. And right there. Now, because that potting mix is really dry, I will soak these in, but I'm going to water from the bottom. Water from the bottom because they don't need to be soaked again. They just need to have enough water to stay alive. So, quick recap. More light, less heat, less water, a light wind on the fan. What's number 5? Oh, plant deep, just like I did, plant deep. Okay, if you want to see more of this, see what they do next week, watch this video. Bye.